So we will be showing how to find the right size football first. So you want to go by whichever is the right size. This one is way too big for my hands. This one, it's decent, but it could be better. And this one is the right size for my hand. I can hold it comfortably and throw it. So I'll be showing you how to hold the football. So the laces are right there. You're gonna put your 4 fingers on there to start. Your thumb will be left out. Then with your index finger and your thumb, you wanna make an L action. Then put it on the football, kind of like that. Now we will demonstrate how to actually throw it. So you wanna stand shoulder width apart and your dominant arm facing away from your target. And then if you're a lefty, it'll be as shown. Then what you want to do is you want to step with your non-dominant foot into your target, and then what you're going to do is go over your shoulder and then release at a good medium range. So you'll have good spiral if you let it roll off your fingers well.
Forward.
Now this is a demonstration of me throwing it. We're standing correctly, point toward the target, and throw it over our shoulder.